So here we are with Hitesh and Anand from Gluster, and this is the file system I think you've heard a lot about. They're here at Supercomputing, and I'm going to let them talk and tell us a little bit about what they have to offer.
Thanks a bunch, Doug. My name is Hitesh Chellani. I'm the CEO of Gluster, and with me is my colleague and partner in crime, the other co-founder, Anand Babu. He's the CTO. We've seen phenomenal adoption of Gluster, which is the clustered open source file system, and we've been around since 2007 as a storage company. We've got about 30 paying customers across different verticals, couple of horizontals in those verticals, like tier 2 archival storage, high performance storage. We're getting a lot of pull from large data centers with a number of virtual machines deployed, wherein they'd like to see a single bucket for storage, be it VM or application storage, with a single management interface. So these are a couple of areas where we're doing extremely well. A couple of Fortune 500 companies using the product. So we're extremely excited to see a young open source product getting so much traction in enterprise and the community. And obviously we'd like to thank the community for helping us get where we are today. So AB, you want to talk a little bit about the product?
Yeah, in terms of the community deployments, there are 1,000+ deployments. And
wow.
Yeah, just the mailing, our community, the developer mailing list is around 1,000 members. And there are YouTube videos how to install Gluster file system. It's part of university curriculum. The word is getting out. Just so far out of word of mouth, we grew pretty silently but big. And today we have right from archival storage, virtual machine storage to real high performance, 1.5, 2 gigabytes per system, and it scales pretty linearly. The best thing users like about our file system is its simplicity. It's you can set up hundreds of terabytes in just 30 minutes. You get
that's what I heard. Is it's a lot simpler to use than some of the other options out there. Yeah. So I also know someone I respect, Joe Landman from Scalable Informatics, speaks highly of you. So if he gives you the thumbs up, I know you guys are doing something right. So
he made a deployment 2 weeks before. It was giving 13 gigabytes per second aggregated throughput on read and 9 gigabytes on write. He's actually pushing that to even further. He has real good hardware. We were actually surprised to see it was giving solid state disk performance.
Yeah.
And combined with the Gluster FS on InfiniBand, it was 1,000 clients pounding on it. It scaled pretty well.
So performance happens to be a byproduct of what we've built. When we started building it out, the primary considerations that the design team factored in were basically reliability and manageability. Performance, and of course scalability, but performance happened to be a byproduct of what we built. So the goal was to build a product that is very reliable, manageable and scalable, and all in one software. There were a number of products out there which would give you either or, but right. Not just all of these three things in one product. So that's how we got started, and here we are today, talking to you.
Yeah, well, that's great, and I'm also a big open source supporter, and you guys are a great validation of that model. Is that it allows you to get out there and spread and get people interested and get invested in your technology without spending a lot of money on your part. And what I always said, the people who get value from what you do will pay you for support.
Exactly. We believe in this business model. It has been helping us so far.
Yeah.
So it's no longer a question of, hey, this is an open source product. Is it accepted in the enterprise? It's the other way around today. I mean, you find CIOs readily picking up the phone, talking to us about, hey, okay, what do you have to offer? What's my ROI? It's the storage economics today that everybody talks about is helping us push the product into enterprises. And it's not just that, even the venture, we're venture funded, and even the venture capitalists see this as a leg up on proprietary companies. Well, the smart venture capitalists see it as a leg up on the proprietary ventures. But yeah, I mean, it's been a phenomenal run. We hope to do a lot more in the short span of time in the next couple of years.
Okay, well, thank you very much, and keep up the good work.
Thank you, Doug.